Okay, spear arm strikes. Spear arm strikes, or spear hand strike, should I say. Spear hand strike, we're going to use the spear hand. So we're using our hand to attack, okay? We're not using a fist, okay? We're using a spear hand. And when we do our spear hand, we need to, have our hand pointed straight out, because what we're doing is we're attacking the solar plexus, or we're attacking down here at the bottom of the throat, okay? Just where that little cleft is in your collarbone, or your chest bone, that's where you're attacking, striking into there or into the solar plexus. So when you strike, you want to curl the middle finger back so that they're level, and that means that if you strike something in the wrong place, your hand will crumple into a fist. You can carry on with the strike. If you have them flat, you're more likely to bend the fingers back. So, Kwansu Konkyok, nice and easy. What you would do is you would use your front hand, so front hand, back hand, use your front hand to pull the guard down, pull anybody's guard down, and then you'd step forward and strike. And you can do it reverse. Kwansu Konkyok, it's very complicated. We get stuck on this in class sometimes as black belts, but you would normally have your right arm and your right leg forward, and you'd be striking. And we rest, point of your elbow, on those two parts of your, on those two knuckles of your blocking hand, your other hand, okay? So from the side, pull the guard down, you pull the hand back, ready to strike, you step forward, striking, okay? That's a Kwansu Konkyok. Or you can pull the guard down and you strike upwards into that throat position. Okay, so that's a spear arm. When it comes to turning, it gets a bit more complicated. It's a bit like a turn, like an outside to inside middle block. So what you would do is, from the side, turn, a bit more complicated. You're going to turn by taking your striking hand and using that to pull down somebody's guard as you go from your front stance, or your strike stance, maybe a side stance, more like a front stance. You go from a front stance into a really short back stance, pull the guard down. You've chambered your other hand now, you're going to step out. Striking, okay? So from the front, you would turn, pull the guard down, step out and strike. From the rear, you turn, pull the guard down, step out and strike, okay? Have a look at those guys.